In 2010, an airline quietly became one of the most respected airlines in the world. Not because they had the fastest aircraft, not because they had the cheapest ticket, but because the passengers said one thing again and again. Flying with them feels different. That airline was Singapore Airlines. And the secret behind their success was not the technology, it was the aviation hospitality. So today in this video, let's understand why passenger experience is one of the most important factor in aviation. When most people think about aviation, they imagine two things: pilot and an aircraft. But in reality, aviation is not just transportation industry. It is a service industry. Think about it. If the only goal of the airline was to transport the passengers safely, then every airline would look the same. But that's not what happens. Passengers often prefer certain airlines even when the tickets are more expensive. For example, airlines like Emirates or Singapore Airlines are globally famous not just for the aircraft, but their passenger experience. And that experience is created through aviation hospitality. Aviation hospitality refers to all the service provided to the passenger before, during, and after a flight to ensure the comfort and satisfaction, and also the safety. It mainly includes three major areas. Number one, the airport hospitality. The moment passengers enter the airport, their experience begins. Ground staffs help them with check-in process, boarding procedures, and passenger guidance, and many more. This is the first point where the airlines build a positive impression. Number 2. The in-flight hospitality. Once the passenger board the aircraft, the responsibility shifts to cabin crew. Their role includes ensuring the passenger safety, serving food and beverages, assisting the passengers during the flight, and managing emergencies and many more tasks. Cabin crew are not just service staff. They are trained safety professionals responsible for both the service and the passenger safety. Number 3. The premium passenger service. Many airlines earn huge portion of their revenue from the premium passengers. These services include the airport lounges, priority boarding, luxury meals, and personalized attention. Airlines like Qatar Airways invest heavily in the premium service because business class passengers generate massive revenue. Now here is where things become very interesting. Aviation industry actually has very thin profit margin. In many cases, airlines earn only 2 to 5% profit per ticket. This means the airlines cannot survive by competing only on the price. So they compete on something else. That's passenger experience. If passenger feels valued and comfortable, they are more likely to choose the same airline again, recommend it to others, and upgrade to the premium seats. This is known as brand loyalty, and aviation hospitality plays a major role in building the loyalty. Even the low-cost airlines like Indigo focus heavily on the customer service because passenger satisfaction directly impacts the repeat booking. Meanwhile, the airlines like Air India are currently investing heavily in improving the hospitality to compete globally. Cabin crew training is not just about serving food. It includes training like safety procedures, emergency evacuations, passenger psychology, conflict management, and medical assistance. Because in many situations, cabin crew must handle the serious emergencies at a 3,500 feet. One of the biggest advantage in this industry is that the career opportunity that it creates. Some of the most common role includes cabin crew, nothing but the flight attendant, airport ground staff, passenger service agents, airport lounge executive, VIP handling officers. For many young aviation aspirants, these roles often become the entry point into the aviation industry. With that, it also requires some of the skill sets like communication skill, professional grooming, customer service mindset, and the ability to handle the passenger calmly. And with the Indian aviation market expanding rapidly, demand for the aviation hospitality professionals is also growing rapidly. The future of aviation hospitality is becoming even more advanced. Airlines are now introducing AI based passenger service, digital check in and biometric boarding, personalized in flight experience, and smart airport systems. The goal is simple: make air travel faster, smoother, and more comfortable to the passenger. Because in aviation, technology may power the aircraft, but hospitality defines the passenger experience. So, the next time you board the flight, remember this: aviation is not just about the aircraft and pilot. Behind every successful airlines is a system designed to deliver comfort, safety, and world class service. If you guys like our work and willing to learn more about aviation and drone industry, then please do subscribe to the channel and share it to your friend. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.